Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk to you about your freebie, your opt-in. What are you doing to collect names and email addresses? Building your list is vital for any business out there. And if you're relying on Facebook or Twitter, what happens if they shut down? You guys remember Vine? There were people with millions of followers and poof, just like that, it's gone. So come up with something that's valuable that you could give that's related to your industry and offer that to your potential customers and clients. Make it valuable, make it something that they would be willing to pay for, and drive them to a unique page where you're just collecting their name and their email address. There are ways to automate it, but that's something you really need to be thinking about, and I'm happy to talk to you more about it if you'd like to learn how to do it. But that's one way to start building your visibility, getting more people to know about you when you're sharing your value with an audience. So start building your list, and I want to help you get massive visibility. And to do that, I have a free PR challenge. It's www.yourprchallenge.com. It takes about 10 minutes a day. It's 10 days long, super easy, and the people in there are having amazing results. And I would love for you to have the same results too. So I hope you'll join us, and I'll see you there, and I'll see you next week with another PR tip.